What's going on YouTube? Chicks here from Chicks Tech Reviews. So I previously reviewed the Flexispot electronic gaming desk finished in black, which can be adjusted up or down with buttons. Now Flexispot products are designed for good health, and the adjustable desk is designed to rise high so you can stand and use it, which is supposed to be great for the blood flow. Well, to complement this desk, Flexispot have just released the Underdesk Bike Pro model number V9U. So this box contains an exercise bike which will allow you to work or game on your desk as usual, but you will also be able to do some exercise at the same time. It's a great idea. I absolutely love cycling, so I just can't wait to test this out for myself to see what it's all about. So without further ado, let's just get it all unboxed and assembled. I'll be right back. Now setting up the bike was dead easy, no screwdriver required at all. The legs simply flick outwards and lock into place. And the same applies to the pedals, just lift them up and they will click right into place. So technically the bike was set up and ready to use in under 1 minute. Now inside the box you will find a user manual, 2 AA batteries, you're getting 2 silicone pedal covers, meaning you can use this barefooted or even with socks on. You're getting an Allen key and a silicone coaster for your water bottle or coffee cup. On top of the bike you have your battery compartment, which powers the fitness tracking LCD screen, and that battery compartment gets covered with the silicone coaster, allowing you to place your drink on top whilst you're working out. And that screen will show you your time, speed, distance, calories burnt and RPM. And you can cycle through all of these modes by pressing this button, and if you keep this button pressed for 3 seconds it will reset all your stats and you can start a new workout. And you also have a large dial which will let you adjust the resistance and make your workout as hard or as easy as you like. The seat height can be adjusted and it uses a gas lift mechanism. So let's begin our workout. I'm going to call this the DESKERCISE bike. It's not the official name, but that's what I'm going to call it. Straight away I can tell you it's a very good quality magnetic bike. It's very smooth. You cannot feel any friction at all. Now I do have a few magnetic exercise bikes in my house, so I can tell you right now this is on par with them in smoothness. Now what's amazing about this product is the ultra stability. Now I am going quite fast right now and the bike is not shaking at all, nor is the table whilst my hands are resting on it. So this is definitely a well thought out design. Stability is very important for something like this, especially if you're going to use it in your office and you don't really want everything falling off your table. So now we're going to put that stability to the test. Here is a cup of juice. You can just pretend it's a cup of coffee. I'm going to pedal quite fast and you will see that this drink will not spill a single drop. So this should give you guys a real practical idea on how incredibly stable this exercise bike is. And once you have finished your session or day in the office, you simply push the bike under the table and away you go. So there you have it guys, the Underdesk Bike Pro by Flexispot. This is no doubt an absolutely incredible product. It's space saving, high quality, ultra stable and very enjoyable to use. I'm personally going to call this product the DESKERCISE Bike Pro. I would love to see these desks and bikes being used in offices. It's a great way to promote good health and it's very enjoyable to use. And also a great way to boost staff morale. So if you've not tried one of these before, then I'm telling you right now, you are missing out. And with that being said, I will leave the links in the description for both the bike and the desk so you guys can check both of them out for yourselves. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one guys.